Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn English with Kylie. In today's video, we are going to practice daily English conversation.
This video will help you improve your speaking skills.
Listen carefully and repeat after us.
Do not skip this video. Practice with us till the end.
So let's start learning English with Kylie.
What is your name?
My name is Kylie. What is your name?
My name is Eric. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am fine. Where are you from?
I am from Australia. What do you do?
I am a student. Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy. Are you tired?
Yes, I am tired. What time is it?
It is 8 o'clock. What is this?
This is a book. Do you like music?
Yes, I like music. What sport do you like?
I like football. Do you study daily?
Yes, I study daily. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English a little. Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a family. Who is in your family?
My parents and I. Do you have friends?
Yes, I have friends. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Jessie. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice. Do you like fruit?
Yes, I like fruit. Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up early. Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise. Do you work?
Yes, I work. Where do you work?
I work in an office. Do you use a phone?
Yes, I use a phone. Do you use the internet?
Yes, I use the internet. Do you want to learn English?
Yes, I want to learn English. Do you practice every day?
Yes, I practice every day. Do you believe in yourself?
Yes, I believe in myself. Do you feel confident?
Yes, I feel confident. Great job.
If you repeated all sentences, you are improving your English.
Tell us in the comments, did you repeat all sentences?
If you want to speak English fluently,
make sure you watch more videos on this channel.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video.